What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a while, trust me, working some stuff out so it can be regular and keep videos coming. If you're new to the channel, my name is Matt. I run a laser engraving, embroidering, screen printing shop, not screen printing, printing on t-shirts and such. And yeah, I do this for a living, full time. So, been busy. Hope you guys are all busy and loving it. I have a bunch of stuff going on. This is the end of the night. This is actually, I'm going to put this up right after I'm done with it. But I got one of my bigger orders done and all shipped out. It was boxes this high, all the way down the length of the garage. So it was nice. Done. Gone. I have been working on different projects and I got something new. A new toy. Got to do a lot of replacing parts and such on there. And I'll be getting that up and running and add to my arsenal. I can't wait. Smart Stitch, all this stuff's been going really good. I have some things on this I really want to show in some videos. I will walk you through everything I'm doing. I'm doing a bunch of testing right now and trying to figure some stuff out to make it even better. Just because I'm picky and I want to know more about this stuff. So why not? UV has been great. Been doing this quite a bit with different plastics and glass, a ton of glass. And then the Thunders. Doing great. Cutting for me all the time. And just got done doing a tumbler job on this one. I got one more smaller job coming up. And we'll be running that in there. So, yeah. It's it's a mess in here. I know. It is. It is. Really is. So, I just wanted to give you guys kind of a heads up. Look out. Here I come. Back into the hustle again. So, yeah. New toy. And that one there. So, all the parts came. These boxes here. And that one there. So, yeah. I'm going to rip this apart. We're going to get going. I even bought a computer for it. If you guys don't know what this is, it's a shirt printer. So I'll be able to print on t-shirts. And DTF right here at my house. That's going to be sweet. DTF as I need it. Or just print a shirt. I mean, heck yeah. Oh, I hope you guys are excited. And you'll be seeing more videos soon. I promise. Glad you guys see me again. Bye.